Good afternoon, everyone. So today I will show you how to run the manufacturing process of a tablet along with their production planning. So first we will discover how the masters, and then we will run the production plan. After that, we will run the manufacturing process of a particular product. For example, in our case, it's paracetamol tablets. So this is all the items that I need in order to produce one paracetamol tablet. So if I go through here, as you can see, these are the raw materials that are used in packaging, and these are the raw materials, and this is our tablet, aciflovim tablet. So if we see this is the item master of the finished good. So here you can see, if I we have to create all these items, then we have to create their BOMs as well. So if I go through here and show you the BOM list, as you can see, the BOM list, I will show you in the form of tree structure, so it's better to understand. So here I will select the BOM. I've created basically two BOMs for this, so I will show you the right one. So yeah, so this is the BOM of particular paracetamol tablet. Here I contains, if I show you in detail, so I will just open and go into the edit form. So yeah, this is the BOM, and these are the raw materials that are used in the BOM. This is the coated tablet, that is kind of a sub-assembly in this case, and all these items are used in packaging. So this is the final product after packaging we get, and this is I have defined for 9 lakh tablets, and in 9 lakh tablets. Okay, so and the operations in the final is packing. So this is the final operation, and if I go inside the coated, you know coated tablets, so here you can see another BOM is linked, so it is sub level BOM. So here this is the coated tablets, the BOM for the coated tablets, so it's in kgs. So in the last we will convert into number of tablets, and before that it will all be in kgs. So for example, for 1038 kgs, 0.262 kgs, I need this much, this much kgs of these raw materials, and one will be my sub assembly, that is compressed. So inside this there is another BOM, so I will open that BOM. So this is the BOM of the compressed tablet. So in compressed, there is only one sub-assembly, that is lubricated BOM. So inside lubricated, we have one another BOM. So this for lubricated, all are these in kgs. So as you can see, 795.282 kgs of lubricated tablets will be getting from all these materials. And there is one another sub-assembly in this, so there are almost three levels. So granulation, so granulation is our root level BOM, you can say. So this is defined in lot. So one lot, I will tell you how much kg is this. If I go into the particular item list and go to the inventory, so it's one lot is equal to 243.194 kgs. So in order to produce 243.94 kgs, that is equal to one lot, we need all these items in this proportion. So 97.5 kgs, 30 kgs, and 50, all these are raw materials, and there is no further level of BOMs inside it. So in tree structure, if I go back and show you the tree structure, so it will look like this. So this is the finished one is coming from the coated plus all these packing materials. And if I open the coated one is combination of compressed plus all these materials, and there is one operation that is coating. And inside compression, there is lubricated, and inside lubricated we have granulated plus all these raw materials. Inside granulated we have all these raw materials that are used. So I have shown you how is actually the BOM of the masters, that is basically the BOM bill of materials, all the items and the raw materials that we used in order to produce a particular set of tablets. So this is the BOM. So I will apart from BOM, we have like one another thing, that is operations. So for example, in coating we basically use two types of coating, that is seal coating and film coating. So I have defined the masters of coating as well. So if I go through it, I will define you the operations master. So operation master we also have to define first in order to produce start the production planning. So these are all the operations that are used in my BOM. So apart from BOM, we have equipment list also, like the machines. So if I open the equipment list, we have all these different type of machines here with along with their IDs. So if I click on any equipment ID, you can see we have equipment types. So equipment types are basically, you can say, groups, vibro sifter, paste kettle. So different types of equipment we can have, and inside this we can have multiple machines or equipments related to that type. So these are all the masters, and first we will go through the production planning. So I will showcase you one production plan. So production plan, we can start if we have all these masters along with it. So first I'll show you the equipment, the production plan. So this is our production plan, how it look like. So for example, I have planned 9 lakh tablets. So for 9 lakh tablets of paracetamol, I need this much of, sub assemblies required. So these are all in kgs, one is in lot. So for one lot I have already defined. So three lots for three lots. For example, in my case, I have treated like one lot equal to 3 lakhs. So 3 lot equals to 9 lakhs, and it all depends on the granulation process, that is the capacity of the machine. So one lot we have already defined in the granulation, that is 493 point something. So it was like for three lots I have, three lot means 9 lakh tablets. For 9 lakh tablets, all these sub assemblies are required. And if I go to the further down, so this is the raw material warehouse I need. I mean, I want to create an purchase order or material request if I don't have the raw materials. So I will be creating an MR, and after MR I will be creating PO and then PR, and then all the raw materials will be inside my warehouse. So this is the case of raw materials. And in case of packaging, we have created another column, because packing materials are basically received at a different warehouse. So this is for the packing warehouse material, and as you can see, this is the packing material warehouse.